Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI. If you still have children young enough to think that you are just magical mom, then I have something to wow them even more. These are by Magical Flames. You throw these into the fire to make the fire all sorts of beautiful colors of the rainbow. I highly recommend not letting your kids see you doing it, and it just adds to the charisma of being a parent. I appreciate it that it says in big letters, throw the entire pouch into the fire. I used to think you had to rip it open and sprinkle the contents, but within seconds of throwing it in the fire, you can see the magic start to happen. I recorded some footage at night to show you how vibrant these colors are, especially during the nighttime. I really love that it's not just one color. It constantly is changing colors as it burns off, and it's just so much fun to have over the campfire. Perfect timing, beginning of summer, to get fun things like this. Grab a pack of these. I got a 12 pack. I'm going to keep some in the camper and some in my house, so we always have the magic on hand. And that's my point of view.